On January 4th, 2026, something happened that most people missed, but it's going to change your life. A robot named Atlas showed up for its first day of work at a Hyundai factory in Georgia. Not a test, not a demonstration, an actual job. And what happened on that factory floor? CBS's 60 Minutes called it the most significant moment in robotics since, well, ever. I'm the King, and I'm about to show you why this 5'9", 200-pound machine is about to flip the entire labor market on its head, and what you need to know before it does. Before we continue, please make sure you subscribe and smash the notification bell so that you can get notified when we release the next video. Let's dive in. Let me introduce you properly. Atlas is made by Boston Dynamics, the company famous for those viral videos of robots doing backflips and parkour. But this time, they're not showing off. They're solving a real problem. Atlas stands 5'9", weighs 200 pounds. It's fully electric, powered by NVIDIA's AI chips, and here's the kicker. It's learning how to work by watching humans. Through virtual reality and motion capture, human workers demonstrate tasks, and Atlas's AI brain absorbs it. But here's where it gets wild. Boston Dynamics created over 4,000 digital copies of Atlas that train in simulation, spending months in a virtual factory before the real Atlas ever touches a real part. Right now, it's sorting roof racks in a parts warehouse. Autonomous, no human guidance, just working. And this isn't a prototype gathering dust in a lab. Hyundai's factory produces 30,000 vehicles a year. This is the real deal. Now you might be thinking, we've had factory robots for decades. What's so special about this one? Great question, and here's the answer that changes everything. Traditional factory robots are basically expensive vending machines. They're bolted to the floor, they do one task, and if you want them to do something different, you need to redesign your entire factory around them. Atlas works in your world. It doesn't need special floors, special lighting, or special anything. It can walk upstairs, open doors, pick up tools designed for human hands. The factory doesn't change for the robot adapts to the factory. Goldman Sachs just projected that the humanoid robot market will hit $38 billion over the next decade, and tech analysts are calling this moment the ChatGPT moment for robotics. Just like ChatGPT made AI feel real and accessible to everyone in 2022, Atlas is making working robots real in 2026. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is your colleague in 2027. Now, before you panic about robots taking all the jobs, let's talk about what's actually happening. Robert Plater, the CEO of Boston Dynamics, said something really important. He said these robots still require management, manufacturing, training, and maintenance. They don't eliminate humans. They free humans from the repetitive stuff. Think about it. Would you rather spend your day lifting 50-pound roof racks over and over, or would you rather supervise 3 Atlas units, troubleshoot problems, and optimize the workflow? Google DeepMind is partnering with Boston Dynamics to integrate their Gemini AI into Atlas. The goal? Make these robots smarter, more adaptable, and better at collaborating with human teams. This is what Forbes means when they say Atlas is fully committed to production in 2026. This isn't a pilot program. This is a new category of worker entering the labor force. And the companies that figure out how to blend human creativity with robotic consistency, they're going to dominate their industries. So here's what you need to understand about your future. If you work with your hands, the jobs that are most at risk are repetitive, predictable physical tasks. But the jobs that require human judgment, adaptability, and problem solving, those just got more valuable. Companies will need skilled technicians who can manage robot fleets. If you work with your mind, this factory revolution is coming to your office next. The same AI that teaches Atlas to sort parts can teach software agents to sort your emails, manage your calendar, and draft your reports. The real opportunity? Understanding how to work alongside these systems, robot psychology, AI management, human-machine collaboration. These are about to become the most in-demand skills on the planet. And here's something most people don't realize. This is happening so fast because the technology finally caught up to the need. Supply chains are stressed, labor shortages are real, and companies can't wait anymore. Atlas isn't the future, Atlas is this year. The Atlas robot clocked in for work on January 4th, 2026. And whether you're ready or not, the future of work just fundamentally changed. But here's the thing, change doesn't happen to you, it happens with you. And the people who understand how to adapt their skills, their mindset, and their career strategy, they're going to thrive. I specialize in the study and usage of AI. If you want to stay ahead of these disruptions, follow me. Because the next decade belongs to the people who know how to lead in the age of AI. See you in the next one.